Hello everyone, I'm Anna Mollekin, a New Zealand contemporary artist. I work predominantly in ink pen and the digital mediums. In this video you'll see a sneak peek behind the scenes of my collaboration with Ninette Kruger, a metal embossing artist. From my initial pencil sketch to inking it, then creating it as a digital artwork, and then Ninette Kruger skillfully and beautifully hand embossed it into metal. Please let us know in the comments if you've got any questions about our collaboration together. We'd be happy to answer them. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.